Hello Adobe Express creators, want to add a fun touch to your design by adding not one but two characters? I'll show you how. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Express and start a new project or edit an existing one. On the left sidebar, tap on Add and select characters from the available options. Browse through the character library and select the first character you want to add. Tap on it to add it to your project. Now tap Add again and select characters to find and add the second character. Position both characters on your design canvas however you like. Resize, rotate, and layer them for the perfect look. To make them interact, try overlapping them or using effects to make them appear more dynamic. If the characters don't fit on the canvas, try adjusting the zoom level or resizing them for better placement. What characters would you add to your design? Drop your answers in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.